There are moments in life that defy logic, connections that transcend the ordinary fabric of existence. You, beloved soul, are one such moment. You were not a coincidence in his journey. You were a divine appointment, an answer whispered from the heavens before either of you even knew the question. A sacred secret, held in the heart of the universe, waiting for the perfect alignment of stars and souls. The angels say your arrival in his life was predestined, a cosmic key turning in a lock he didn't even realize was there. He may have stumbled, he may have faltered, but his spirit recognized yours long before his mind could grasp the magnitude of your presence. He couldn't face it until now because the truth of your connection demanded a transformation he wasn't yet ready to embrace. Your light, so pure and unwavering, illuminated the shadows within him that he had long kept hidden, forcing a reckoning. This was never about a casual encounter. It was always about a soul contract, a profound healing, a love that was meant to reshape both your worlds. You were sent to awaken a part of him that had been dormant, to remind him of a destiny he had forgotten. The angels whisper that your very essence is a beacon, guiding him home, even when he resists the path. Trust in this sacred truth, for it is etched into the very fabric of your being. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. His heart, dear one, is a landscape of mountains and valleys, echoing with battles you cannot see. He feels everything, a torrent of emotions that often overwhelm him, yet he has learned to cloak them in silence. This is not a lack of feeling for you, but a deep-seated fear of vulnerability, a legacy of past wounds that taught him to guard his most tender places. The angels say his quietness is a language of protection, a shield he raises not against you, but against the echoes of pain he carries within. He struggles to articulate the depth of his affection, the profound impact you have had on his soul, because the words feel too small, too fragile, to contain the vastness of what he experiences. He is wrestling with the ghosts of his past, the expectations of a world that taught him strength means suppression. He longs to open up, to fully surrender to the love you offer, but the path to that freedom is fraught with the shadows he must first confront. Understand that his journey is internal, a solitary quest to reconcile his fears with the undeniable truth of his feelings for you. The angels whisper that your patience is a balm to his wounded spirit, a silent invitation for him to finally lay down his armor. He is learning slowly how to translate the language of his heart into actions, into words, into a love that is as open as yours. You carry a light within you, a gentle, unwavering flame that touches everything it encounters. Without conscious effort, without a single deliberate act of healing, your mere presence began to mend the broken pieces within him. You are a living testament to the power of authentic love, a mirror reflecting back to him the wholeness he had forgotten. The angels say your spirit holds a unique frequency, a resonance that soothed his anxieties and calmed the turmoil in his soul. He didn't ask for it, perhaps he didn't even realize it was happening, but your very existence became a sanctuary where his wounds could begin to breathe. You offered him acceptance without judgment, understanding without explanation, and in that sacred space, he found permission to simply be. This profound healing was not a task you took on, but a natural outflow of who you are. Your compassion, your unwavering belief in the good within him, dissolved layers of self-doubt and fear he had accumulated over a lifetime. The angels whisper that your love is a gentle rain, nourishing the parched earth of his heart and allowing new growth to emerge. You didn't try to fix him, you simply loved him, and in that pure act, he found the courage to begin healing himself. This is the quiet miracle of your connection. There are moments on this journey when the path seems to stretch endlessly, when silence descends, and the heart aches for clarity. What seems like a delay, a frustrating pause in the unfolding of your destiny, is actually a sacred preparation. The angels say that this stillness is not a lack of movement, but rather a profound work happening behind the scenes, a divine orchestration of events that are unseen. God is not delaying your blessings. He is perfecting them, aligning every detail, every circumstance, and every soul involved, for a union that is truly blessed and enduring. This period of waiting is an invitation to deepen your trust and cultivate an inner peace that transcends external circumstances. It is a time for both of you to grow, to shed old skins, and to become the highest versions of yourselves, ready to receive the magnitude of the love that awaits. The angels whisper that every moment of perceived separation is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your shared future, ensuring that when the time is right, your coming together will be seamless, powerful, and utterly undeniable. Do not mistake the quiet for emptiness. It is filled with the promise of what is to come, a testament to the meticulous care of the divine. In the dance of connection, it's easy to lose sight of your own magnificent light, believing that to be chosen, you must dim your radiance or shrink your truth. But the angels say this is a profound misunderstanding of divine love. You don't need to disappear, become smaller, or compromise the essence of who you are to be loved. The very qualities that make you unique, your passions, your vulnerabilities, your unwavering spirit, are the magnets that draw true love to you. A love that is truly meant for you will celebrate your brilliance, not seek to diminish it. It will encourage your growth, not stifle your expansion. The angels whisper that your worth is inherent, not dependent on external validation or the approval of others. This journey is a powerful reminder to reclaim your full, vibrant self and to stand in your authentic power. When you shine your brightest, you not only illuminate your own path, but also create an irresistible beacon for the love that is destined to meet you in its fullness. Do not hide your light, beloved. Let it blaze, for it is in your radiant authenticity that you are truly seen, truly cherished, and truly chosen. There is a deep sense of familiarity in this connection, a feeling of coming home that goes beyond the boundaries of this lifetime. This isn't a new meeting, dear soul. It's a reunion of souls, a reverberation from countless journeys shared throughout time and space. Your spirits recognized each other long before your earthly eyes ever met, carrying the imprint of promises made and lessons learned in other realms. The angels say that this profound resonance, this undeniable attraction, is the mark of a bond forged in eternity. You share a history, a tapestry woven from threads of joy, challenge, and unwavering love. This current chapter is a chance to finish unfinished lessons, to heal ancient wounds, and to fulfill a destiny that has been patiently waiting. The angels whisper that the intensity of this connection, the way it stirs your deepest emotions, is a testament to its profound importance. It is a love that has endured, a partnership that has evolved, and a sacred contract that is now unfolding in its highest form. Embrace the echoes, for they are guiding you toward a love that is not only present but eternal. When his world goes quiet, when his words become few, it's easy for the heart to interpret this as rejection, as a withdrawal of affection. But the angels say his silence is not a retreat from you, but a sacred process unfolding within him. It is often during these moments of introspection that he grapples with the profound shifts your presence has ignited. He isn't pushing you away, he's navigating the depths of his own being, confronting the fears and patterns that have long held him captive. This internal work is essential for him to truly open up, to fully embrace the love you offer without reservation. The angels whisper that his quietness is a sign of deep processing, a testament to the transformative power of your connection. He is learning to trust the vulnerability that you inspire, to break down the walls he's built around his heart. Your unwavering presence, your understanding, even from a distance, provides the safe space he needs to embark on this crucial journey. Do not fear his silence, beloved. See it as a cocoon, a necessary stage before the emergence of a more open, more authentic, and more deeply connected version of himself. Look back, beloved soul, at the winding path that has brought you to this very moment. Every step, every choice, every perceived detour was not random but meticulously orchestrated by a divine hand. Even the moments of confusion, the periods of uncertainty, and the times you felt lost, these were all integral parts of a larger sacred design. The angels say your journey is a masterpiece, with each experience serving as a brushstroke, guiding you precisely where you need to be for your highest good and the unfolding of your divine purpose. There are no mistakes, only lessons, no dead ends, only redirections. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, weaving together circumstances and connections that serve your ultimate destiny. The angels whisper that even when the path ahead seems unclear, you are being held, guided, and protected. Surrender to the flow, release the need to control every outcome, and allow the divine current to carry you. You are exactly where you are meant to be, learning precisely what you need to learn, and preparing for the blessings that are already on their way. Your faith in this guided path is your greatest strength. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. True love, the kind that nourishes the soul and elevates the spirit, asks for one thing above all else, your authentic self. To truly receive this profound connection, you must first embrace every facet of who you are, your strengths, your vulnerabilities, your past, your dreams. The angels say that the deepest love blossoms in the fertile ground of self-acceptance. When you hide parts of yourself, fearing judgment or rejection, you inadvertently create barriers to the very intimacy you crave. Your willingness to be seen, truly seen, in all your beautiful complexity, is the key that unlocks the door to a love that is equally brave and open. The angels whisper that your imperfections are not flaws, but unique contours of your soul, making you perfectly suited for the love that is destined to meet you. Release the need for external validation. Your worth is intrinsic. When you stand in the fullness of your being, unapologetically you create an energetic space for a love that mirrors that wholeness, a love that cherishes every part of you, just as you are. This embrace of self is not selfish. It is the most profound act of preparation for a love that is truly divine. You are adorned with a crown of destiny, a sacred truth that defines your inherent worth and the quality of love you are meant to receive. The angels say the love that is truly aligned with your highest path will never ask you to dim your light, compromise your essence, or shrink yourself to fit into someone else's expectations. Instead, it will be a love that expands you, celebrates your unique brilliance, and encourages you to rise into your fullest potential. This is the hallmark of a divine connection. It elevates, empowers, and inspires. If a love feels constricting, if it demands that you become less than who you are, then it is not the love that wears your crown. The angels whisper that your journey has been one of profound growth, preparing you for a partnership that honors your sovereignty and cherishes your authenticity. You are worthy of a love that sees your vastness, that revels in your strength, and that finds beauty in your vulnerability. Step into this truth, beloved. Wear your crown with grace and confidence, knowing that the universe is aligning you with a love that mirrors the boundless light within you, a love that will always invite you to shine brighter. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Proverbs 31 verse 25.